Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Fernandes base coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, he also be changing the nut. There will be custom nut from a blank itself. Then for the retainers, I need to plug and re-drill and re-screw back the existing retainers. Other than that, thread leveling together with an output jack change as well. So stay tuned. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so I'm almost there with the setup work and the nut work. So the nut I already cut to shape. This is at 80%, but I already dull in the height. Then after that, the thread leveling also I've done already. Need to flush everything. So, but it's more higher on this part of the thread. So I leveled. And now the sound is better. I went as low as it can go with minimal buzzing. Then the effort for the plucking is also quite soft to moderate lah. So if you pluck very hard, of course it will buzz, but definitely not as bad as when it first came in. So this is at least 30% reduction in buzzing. Okay. So if you go a bit harder, I off. See, the buzzing is not so noticeable. So yeah. Okay, so it's pretty much there already. I need to do the crowning work. After that, followed by finishing up the last part of the nut issue. Then after that, final setup for the intonation as well. Plus, I still need to change the jack. This guitar should be up and running by tomorrow. So if you want to pick up, you can make an appointment to pick up tomorrow. Okay? Okay, I see you tomorrow or whenever you are free. Alright? Okay, then after that, of course, this one also I will re-glue and plug and re-glue the string retainer as well. Alright, okay, see you, bye. Okay, hello guys. So today we got a Fernandes bass, 4-string bass. Not sure of the model. So yeah, what are the things that I did? I did a pro setup, fret leveling together with a new nut, a new bone nut. Right. Then after that we change the output jack as well, clean up a bit on the inside, and pretty much that's it. Okay. So this is the sound test. Okay. Okay, if you can hear that, there is the buzzing from the pickups itself. So I switch off the tone knobs and it should clear up a bit more. Maybe in the future upgrades you can consider doing copper shielding together with a change of the pickups as well. But the guitar or the bass is very comfortable already, very nice. If you consider an upgrade, I would highly recommend changing the pickups and copper shielding. Okay, so thank you for supporting. I see you when I see you for the pickup. For the rest of you who wants to support or want to send your guitars or bass for me to fix, do let me know. You can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Bye. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok as well. So if you want to contact me for any of my work, WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.